Hello, I'm in a 2017 Ford Escape and I'm going to show you how to adjust your date and time. So you're going to want to make sure the radio is on. So it's clicking on now. Now we're going to want to go to your menu. And so we have menu options. We're going to use this to scroll down until we see clock settings. So there's your clock. And then we'll hit OK again to set the time. And then here you just toggle up or down, and then OK to move on from that. Otherwise, left and right. So again, your time, this left and right, it's toggling between hours and minutes. And then just set whatever time you need. And then same for the date. Just set the OK again. All of this is being controlled from here, and then same thing. Just keep skipping around until you have what you need. And then if you like military time better, you can switch here. But otherwise, I hope this was a helpful video for you and hope you have a great day.